In this video, I will teach you how you can generate Facebook pixel and also integrate this Facebook pixel on your Selar store. So if you have been looking for how you can connect, link or install your Facebook pixel on your Selar store so that you can run Facebook ads conversion directly to your Selar store, then you need to watch this video to the end. When you access your Meta Ads Manager dashboard, hover your mouse on this left hand side, you will see all tools here. Click on all tools, then click on business settings. You will be directed here. At this left hand side, scroll down and you will see data sources here. There's a drop down button beside data sources. Click on that drop down button and you will see data sets. Click on data sets. If you have any pixel already, you will see it right here. You can see I've created one for myself earlier, but in this video, let me show you how to create your own and also integrate it on your Selar account. At this right hand side, you will see the add button. Click on add. You will see select an existing data set or search by name. Then below here, you will see create new data set. Go ahead and click on create new data set. Then enter the name and give your data set a name. For instance, let me name it as Selar Store so that I will know that this particular pixel is to track my Selar Store activities. Below here, you will see the create button. Click on create. And right here is my pixel created. You can see Selar Store here. This Selar Store is a particular pixel I just created now. Click on it and you will see your pixel ID. Take note, every pixel has an ID and it's that ID that you can use to track activities on another website. So you can see my pixel ID here. Copy this pixel ID. You will see this number. That is the pixel ID. Copy it. Then go to your Selar store. Click on the profile picture here and you will see dashboard. Click on dashboard. Then click on menu here. Scroll down and you will see integrations. Click on integrations. Select Facebook pixel. You will see Facebook pixel integration here. You can read about all the activities that is going to track on Selar right here. Then on the right hand side here, you will see pixel ID Facebook event manager. I installed one of my pixel earlier, so I will delete this one and I will paste the new pixel ID I want it to track. I've pasted the pixel ID. Below it, you will see update pixel button. Click on update pixel. You can see the feedback here. Success, pixel settings updated. Now we want to test if the pixel we just installed is working. So go back to Facebook, select the pixel. Remember, I name it as Selar Store. Here you will see 3 dots beside the pixel. Click on the 3 dots and a pop-up will show which is open in Events Manager. Then click on open in Events Manager. It will open up like this. Go ahead and click on test events. It will open up like this. At the bottom, you will see confirm that your website events are set up correctly. Beside it, there is a drop down button. Click on that drop down button and it will open up like this. Then go to your Selar store, copy your store link and paste it here where you see enter website URL. So I'll go back to Selar now to copy my store link. If you don't know how to get the store link, just scroll up. You will see your store here. Then click on this store link right here. This URL is your Selar store link. So just copy it. Then go back to Events Manager, this other tab. Click on this enter website URL and paste your Selar store link here. Below it, you will see open website. Then click on open website. Now let us see if our pixel is firing or not. So I'll go back to my Selar store here. Let me just click on one of the products. Okay. When I click on this product, let me scroll through and try to click on this buy now button. Okay. I'll go to checkout page and I will see all this. So let's go back to Event Manager here. I'll click on Event Manager. Let's see if the pixel is tracking it or not. Okay. Under test events, you can see all the events I just did now. Remember, I added to carts. I click on the subscription button, I view content, and I also view page. You can see that the pixel is already firing. It's tracking every event on my Selar store. Now, before you start using this pixel to run ad, you need to connect it to your ad account. Before I show you how to do that, go ahead and like this video. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Go back to your ads manager. Hover your mouse on this left hand side. You will see all tools. Click on all tools. Click on business settings. It will take you here. Scroll down and you will see data sources. Click on the drop down button beside data sources. Then click on data sets. Select the pixel you want to connect. Remember, I use Selar Store as the name of mine, so I'll click on this Selar Store pixel. Under the Selar Store pixel here, you will see Connect Assets. Click on Connect Assets. you will see a pop-up like this. What do you want to connect? Go ahead and click on other business assets. It will show up like this. This is the name of my own ad account, 𝗟𝗂 Creative Hub. So there is a box beside it like this. Yours will also show up like this. Check this box, and down below here you will see this add button. Click on add. You can see here one ad account has been added to the data set. Go ahead and click on done. Now you can start creating ad with your pixel. Let me quickly show you how to set the tracking when creating your ad. Go back to your ads manager dashboard. Click on this create button right here. Select your campaign objective. Let me just select sales. Then click on the continue button below. You know the usual way you set up ad. I will select manual sales campaign. Then click on continue button down below. Just name your campaign as usual. I believe you already know how to set up ad. At the down button here, I will click on next. To take me to the ad set level, also use the same name you use for campaign for your ad sets. I believe you already know how to run ad. Then scroll down. For the conversion location, just select website because we are driving this conversion to website, okay? For performance goal, leave it at maximize number of conversions. Next thing is data set. There's a drop down button here. Click on that drop down button and select the particular data set you are using. Remember, I saved the name of my data set with Selar Store. You can see the Selar Store data set here. I'll select that one because that is the one I want to track this activity. The next thing you will see here is conversion events. For the conversion event, I want it to track purchase. So scroll down and you will see purchase right here. Check purchase, scroll down, set your daily budget, set your end date, then go ahead and set your audience as usual. Let me just take it to where you set your pixel tracking. Just click on next. When you get to this ad level as usual, edit your ad name, then scroll down, input your ad creative as usual. Just set your ad creative. Scroll down, under tracking, select website event, then select the particular pixel you want to track your Selar Store activity. Remember, I saved mine with Selar Store as the name. You can see it right here. Then after setting up your ad, click on the publish button down below to publish your ad. If you want me to create a step-by-step video on how to set up your sales ad objective, then drop a comment below.